Welcome to another episode of Fuzzboo, where we're gonna see Hot Wheels and magnet tiles mixing together. All right, buddy, what did we build today?
A magnet tire track with some of these.
Wow, let's see. Oh, so there's a ramp, and it goes up the ramp, and then it comes down, it goes around the curve, and it goes into the loop-de-loop, and then it comes back, and then I wonder what happens here.
The
Right?
domino effect with magnet tires and they can break.
Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like. If you want to see more cool stuff, click subscribe. Bye.